Thank you for tuning into the Limu demonstration. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into Limu. I'm using an Apple Mac, so I'm going to go to Safari. Just typing in the URL. You'll see that we're using the URL for St. Dunstan's, which is a school that we're currently using the program on. As you can see, all you need to do right now is just enter in your user ID and then your unique user password. And then just log in. Okay, as you can see, the interface is actually quite intuitive. The home page has a calendar on the side, and typically that calendar can also be loaded with all of the events that are happening at the school or any other important tests. On the top there, you'll see there are 4 main tabs in this case. These tabs reflect the courses that a particular student might be doing. So let's just demonstrate with the grade 12 science. So we have here created a demonstration tab for grade 12 science. Just get into that. Then you'll see on the left-hand side here, there's a couple of sort of sub-tabs to the main tabs. We have the home, announcements, resources, assignments, tests and quizzes, etc., etc. I'm just going to show you what's entailed in each of the tabs. I'm going to start off, of course, with the home page. As you can see, there's a nice little image on the top left-hand corner there. And there's something that tells you a little bit about what this particular site is about. And as you can see, this is a demonstration site for grade 12 science, showing the functionality of Limu. Let me move on to the announcement side of things. So here, what a student will be able to see is the announcements that have been made by a particular administrator. That administrator would most likely be the course teacher. The announcements show, of course, the announcement itself. It shows who sent it, shows when it was modified, and it can also tell you when the announcement is actually relevant for, so the beginning and the ending date. So if I click inside here, I can give you show you an example of how the announcement looks. So here we're just sending an announcement, just telling everyone, welcome to the Demo Physics tab. Then now what I want to do is return to the list. So return to the list of announcements that have been made, just for ease of use. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what's entailed in the resources tab. The resources tab is actually very useful because have you seen those situations sometimes when a teacher will send or will want to send some kind of like learning material, but of course class is out. Something like this would be quite useful where a teacher can send an announcement and say, guys, before your test, just check out these additional resources that might help you study. So that's what we have here with the resources. We don't have any resources, of course, inside here because it is just a demonstration. Then we also have assignments. What the teacher can do here is she can upload all her additional assignments that she wants students to do. And then below that we have tests and quizzes, where should the teacher want to, she can also just create online tests and quizzes that the students can do by themselves. Then a cool functionality here that we have is the gradebook. The gradebook is great because it allows students to keep monitoring their performance, and it allows a teacher as well to be able to upload all the marks onto an online database in case she loses her physical copies. You'll also see on our parent portal as well, this is quite an important function because it allows the parents themselves to keep track of their children and keep track of their progress. I think that's called the early warning system. We've also got a Dropbox here for the students, just for them to actually upload all their material and keep it with them everywhere they go. Same reason, never losing it. The chat room, of course, is a function that allows the students to engage with each other on the platform, and also maybe for the teacher as well to converse with the students a day or two before the test when they're at home. All right, and then we have here the rest of the functions: section info, the email functionality, the message functionality, the polls functionality for if students want to vote about something in particular. And then at the bottom is the help function. just showing you a detailed list of some of the issues that might come up that students might need help with or the administrator might need help with. So yes, that's Limu. Always don't forget to log out. Thank you very much for tuning into our demonstration, and we hope you enjoy Limu as much as we believe in it. Bye-bye.